Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Efogo Joseph. In this video, I'll be showing you how to chat on your ZenFi ecosystem, how to reach out to members of your team if for any reason you have not been using the chat functionality. So what exactly are you going to be doing? Now this is my hub, but there are three ways you can do this. First of all is to try and locate the chat button. You click on this more button and then it brings you down here. You can see the chat button. You click it. Okay, now there are two people already highlighted here. This is my inviter and this is my downline. So what do I do? If I want to chat with any of them, I can simply click on the name, and then in this box I can send a message. Hi. Okay, so I can say hi to him, and then yes, can say hi and then use this button to send the message. Okay, I can still add another message. How are you doing? So that is it. I send it again. So when you replies, the message will automatically come here too, and it becomes the chatting interface. Instead of you to go to Telegram to be looking for your people, you can easily chat within this dashboard. That is the first way to chat. Then the other thing is that you can actually search for the person. You can just click this back button, click yes. You can search for the person you want to chat in this particular place. You just click on that place and search for the person's name. Let me just search for maybe Silvanus. Okay, and then you click the search button here. You can see his name has just come out and it says tap to start a chat. So I tap on the name. You can see the interface pops up. The same thing I did with engineers, I can do that here right now. Okay, that is one way for you to chat with your members. Then the second way for you to do that is to go to more again, and then you come to this place that says team. You click on the team. Now you can see members of your team here. You can see members of your team here. So any of them that you want to chat with, you can just click on that person's name. For instance, I want to click talk with Mr. Kwazda. Just click on that and click on message. Yes, I click on message. You can see there's a box now for me to chat with him. I can also say hi. Like a good day, sir. So that is it. Very simple if you want to really know how to chat with members of your team. If you find this video useful, like it, remember to share it, and leave a comment in the comment section. God bless you. I'll be sharing other updates with you in my subsequent video. Watch out for the next video.